MOVEO ComfortDrive. This design is perfect for educational institutions, offices, hotels, and other crowded places. MOVEO ComfortDrive is an entire movable system of partitions that can be recognized literally before your eyes. They are assembled from modules, some of which are solid walls and some of which are walls with doorways. Partitions move on special rails mounted in the ceiling. This brings to life the idea of flexible spaces whose geometry can change throughout the day. Comfort and safety of people are granted. The construction is stable and the panels are very light while providing good acoustic insulation. ConTor Manfred eggers. When you look at this wall, you would hardly suspect that there's a doorway hidden. There's, however, it is there, and it's pretty impressive. The design consists of particle sections that can rotate relative to each other. Together, they form a flexible wall which moves aside on special rails. The construction is in fact pretty simple. The gate is long but doesn't take up unnecessary space when unfolded. It smoothly bends around the corner, which is impossible for a one-piece gate. Overlap SILVELOX. If there is not enough space for a folding door, it can be fixed under the ceiling. The Italian company SILVELOX, for example, offers this option. The door leaf consists of several sections which turn over taking a horizontal position. In this position, don't obstruct aisles and don't take up any space at all. The design is also silent. The doors glide smoothly on rails embedded in the doorway. An additional advantage is the high security level. If there is an object such as a hand between the door sections, the door stops moving immediately. Also, you can use it on any doorway from regular doorways to garage doors. Bump gates. This gate is perfect for people who know that time is money, because it makes it possible to open the gate without leaving the car. There's no need to equip them with complex expensive electronics for sensors and detectors. Bump gate is a simple mechanical device consisting of a soft roll connected to a locking mechanism. The driver simply has to drive up to the gate and push the bumper on the roller. This action automatically opens the gate. The surface of a roller is soft, so it won't scratch the car body. Tests have shown that a pull exit follows it by closing the gate with the help of bump gates. It takes only 20 seconds in the case of a traditional gate. This time is only enough to open the gate and walk back to the car. Corner laneway gate. A few years ago, the motorized gate company was called to work on a teeny backyard with fencing on two sides adjacent to an alley. The owner wanted to be able to park a car inside and still have room for pedestrian access. It was not an easy task, but the designers managed to solve it. They decided to make a gate where the two doors be together like the sides of a corner in addition. It was possible to save space by making bifold door. MULHOLLAND gate. If your driveway is steep, installing a swing gate can be a serious problem, but not for the company MULHOLLAND in California. The design of this gate is unique when you open it. The leaf not only swings open but also rises upward following angle of the driveway. As you can see, the door doesn't touch the ground, so it won't lose its great appearance for a long time and won't produce unpleasant sounds. Even the developers admit that to design and then produce such a gate is a task of great complexity.